Well, hello and welcome to my channel. All of you, I hope you are doing well. I hope you are safe. I hope you are indoors. I hope you are at home. And a huge shout out to everyone who's battling emotions there. We are here. We are praying for each and everyone for you, okay? Now, this is your July 2021 prediction. It's just a general reading. We are not gender biased or gender specific here at this channel, you know. First of all, thanks a lot for sharing your love, for subscribing, for liking, commenting. If you haven't been doing that, please do that. I would really appreciate. And this will help my channel to grow. And this will also, I mean, this video will be able to be found by many other people. Okay. So we are going to do a quick reading for you in terms of finances, in terms of health, and in terms of relationship. Okay. First of all, let's check what's happening in your fortune cookie. Your fortune cookie message that I see here is saying challenges. Uh, I know you Capricorns, it's not that we don't have enough challenges already that we have to look forward for more, but we are the heroes, right? We are warriors. We know how to overcome our challenges and we know how to fight through our challenges and we know how to fight past our challenges. Okay. So take time out from problems or conflicts or approach softly to avoid making matters worse. So you exactly know when matters are going to go out of your hands and you can assess that. You just need to take a moment, take a deep breath, reassess before answering, okay? That's the message from your fortune cookies. Now, in terms of finances, you have Four of Pentacles, Earth energy. Four of Pentacles indicates that you may be, holding on to your money too tightly in the month of July 2021. The reason being is because obviously there could be significant losses in finances that you must have borne recently. So the every dollar, every penny, every rupee, whichever currency that you use, you must be holding on to each and every penny really, really closely. Also, a lot of you I see will be doing significant savings. So you've learned that you really need to save at this point in time, or rather always. So you will start initiating savings, which is a good sign, okay? Even while you're holding on to every penny of yours, ensure that you still go ahead and don't get into the miser state of mind, okay? In terms of health, yes, you will be working very hard on your health. You've got Eight of Pentacles, which is earth sign again. Now, what I'm trying to say, working hard on health is where you'll be working on your immunity. You'll be working on your, you may change your diet, you may change your meal. Uh, so you've been so careless. For some of you, obviously, it's a general reading. Now you will start, thinking about it, and you will want to work on your health. You want a significant improvement in your health, and I see that you're not going to just work on your physical health, but you will also be working on your mental and spiritual health and emotional imbalances that you've been facing all along. You will try to work on that. Yes, if you need a personal reading, you need counseling and guidance, you can connect with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com or pererasherry@yahoo.co.in, because you will require mentor in this month. Because you know your vision, you know your goals, right? You just need somebody to kind of give you a kick along your journey. So that's what's going to happen in the month of July for you, where you will feel. So don't hold on to your money. If you invest in yourself, if you think you need a mentor, invest in yourself. If you think you need to buy something that helps you with your health booster, invest in yourself. Don't hold on to that amount of money, okay? So number four, number eight could be significant. And in terms of relationship, you've got the renewal card, which is the justice card, where you will be reviewing your past relationships and you will assess, and then you will move on to your present relationship. You don't want to be bitten all the time. So it's like that one bitten, twice shy kind of situation is going to happen with you. You will plan for a brighter future with your person. That is what I see very strongly. So now you're going to work in not just a heart space, you're going to plan for your future, okay? You will understand what's your purpose with this person. Of course, this is again a general reading, so if it resonates with you, let me know, or also DM me on Instagram. I take bookings from there as well. And you will release all judgments from your partners which was not serving you right, my Capricorn friends. Maybe you will come to terms, maybe you will come to some perspective, maybe you'll come to some mutual grounds. You will meet your partner in between the bridge. That's a possibility. You may be dealing with a fellow Libran. You may be dealing with a Cancer sign. It's not for all of you, right? For whoever it is, or they may be having Cancer in their chart. And if people who are awaiting divorces or filing for divorces, something will come through. Okay, so just uh, giving you a heads up there from your spirit guides. Let's see what's your message, who's coming here to guide you for the month of July 2021. Okay, from the spirit guides, we've got divine healing. So you need to heal your heart chakra, which is green. Do you see that? Meditate on your heart chakra a lot. Open up your heart, right? So what has happened is, a lot of times if relationships have gone very sour, we close our heart. We close because we don't want negativity to hit the wall, right? We don't want negativity to enter the wall. We want it to hit and reflect back. But while we close the wall, we are also kind of blocking a good person coming in. We are blocking the good energy. We are blocking in the good love, right? So don't do that. So you've got divine healing. I'm going to read that out for you. It says, honor your sensitivity, retreat to recharge and heal. See, you need a lot of healing at this point in time, especially your emotional imbalances, which has gone a little off the hook. You have an inner light. You have an inner light which supports everyone else. But before you ooze out that inner light from you to support and guide others, you need to use that light first. They always say, right, when you're in the flight and if the cabin oxygen is low, wear your mask first and then help others. This is what you need to do, my Capricorn friends. You need to wear your mask first and then help others. And see, your angels are saying, ask for help from others. So do not shy away from asking help. If you think there is a situation that does require help, please feel free to open up to ask, because only when you ask you will receive. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you have, please do like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the notification icon for my next reading. Follow me on Instagram. I go by the name Luminous Guide, and show me the love always. Goodbye. I love you all.